Ever heard of the Lorem Ipsum and the random text generator command in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use it and what it is used for. Without taking much of your time, let's dive in. In this video, we'll be looking at the Lorem Ipsum and the random text generator command. First thing is, you click on equals to, and type rand, open bracket, the number of paragraph you want to create, comma, and maybe the lines, how many lines of text you want. Let me use 7. Close and then click on equals to. You can see we have 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And also for the Lorem Ipsum, it's similarly as this. Difference is that one is going to be in Latin, which is equals to Lorem, open bracket, 3, and then 7 lines. As you can see. What is this used for? This is used like as a sample. You can use this as a sample template or to test your formatting skills, your layout and your styles. And also you can use it as a demo or training in Microsoft Word. And that's it. Easy, right? So enjoy more tips like this. Kindly like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications to get notified whenever we post videos like this. Catch us on our next video next time. Bye.